Devialet's approach to engineering and design has resulted in yet another sophisticated speaker in their lineup, which is not something I've come to expect in the portable Bluetooth category, but that's exactly what the Mania delivers. Hi, I'm Abby. I'm a social media producer here at Crutchfield, and today I'm going to talk about the Devialet Mania portable Bluetooth speaker. The Mania is the smallest now of the Devialet speakers in their lineup, but something that's always impressed me about their speakers is the bass response, and not just the powerful aspect of the bass, but also the way it blends with the rest of the music and how clean it is. And because of its size, what you might lack in terms of overall output or power, you gain in clarity, in that smooth, well-blended sound profile. It's an awesome listening experience. They achieved that by putting 4 full-range drivers into the speaker, as well as 2 side-firing woofers. So there's a lot going on. And as I mentioned before, Devialet is amazing at blending engineering and design equally. So with the Mania, you get that spherical design, which just looks cool, but also is filling the room in a 360, all-encompassing kind of way. And then there are covers on the side-firing woofers that physically respond to the frequencies, which is just really cool to look at. In addition to being really well designed, the Mania also has the features needed for it to function really well as a portable Bluetooth speaker. Like you can connect via Bluetooth, obviously, but also AirPlay 2. Amazon Alexa is built into it for those of you who want to command it with just your voice. It does have a built-in microphone for taking phone calls, which is pretty cool. It's super portable. It does have an IPX4 splash-resistant rating, so if it gets a little wet, it won't be damaged. It has 10 hours of battery life on a full charge, and there's a handle built in across the top, so you can just grab it and go. And near the handle, there are some physical buttons that will control power, play, pause, volume up and down, Bluetooth pairing, and battery level. There are a couple ways you can charge the speaker, the included USB-C cable, or for added convenience, if you want to purchase separately, the charging station. Another way to control the Mania is through the Devialet app. So if you're using Wi-Fi, there is support for Spotify Connect, and you have some EQ controls. So once again, I obviously can't overstate how impressed I was by this speaker. It's awesome. And if you have any questions about the Devialet Mania, definitely do not hesitate to reach out to us. We'd love to talk with you. And as always, thanks for watching.